Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar, and as you can see, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. So if we look at the chart, then we can see that overall market is still in uptrend. Okay, and if we just consider this particular portion, okay, then we can easily see that market is in a tight range right now. And if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you have made good money, because whenever market came down to this particular support level, okay, we made good profit. So let's see what should be our strategy on Monday then. Okay, so at first let's do the analysis. Okay, so overall market is in uptrend. Okay, and secondly, right now market is trading in a particular range. Okay, as we all know, okay, we should always follow the trend, because trend is our friend. Okay, so following the concept of trend is our friend, then mainly in an uptrend market like this, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. Okay, whereas in a downtrend market, we should look for selling opportunities. Okay, but right now this market isn't sideways. Okay, and this market is sideways for almost a month. Okay, so for a long time this market is in a tight range. As a result, in a range bound market or in a sideways market, we get opportunities on both the sides. Both the sides means we can short the market at the resistance, and we can also go for buying or long at the support level. Okay, so if I take you to the weekly chart once, then you can see that the scenario is much similar to the Euro USD chart. Because see, Euro USD chart, just like Euro USD chart, market went up on the third week of Feb. Okay, market failed to sustain the price above, market came down, price fell, and it formed a shooting star kind of a pattern. Overall market was bullish. Okay, and right now we are seeing the same scenario in GBP USD also. Okay, market is struggling to cross the particular price level, the price that it made on the third week of Feb. And for last 4 weeks, 4 consecutive weeks, market is struggling, finding it very hard to cross the level. As a result, we are getting a sideways market. Okay, apart from that, we do not have any important levels here. So what should be our strategy for Monday then? As you can see here, okay, right now market is just standing at the support zone. And if I zoom in, okay, then you can clearly see that, okay, after making these red candles and this particular red candle, when market came down and touched the support zone, instead of making a fat red candle, okay, it made a spinning top kind of a pattern. Just look at the last candle on the chart. It has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. Generally, spinning top kind of pattern suggests that there is an indication, there is a battle going on between the bulls and the bears. Try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, which means that though there was some heavy selling pressure, but still bulls are sitting at this price level, this level. Bulls are sitting at the price level, and they are not allowing the price to cross this level, 1.4100 level, that easily. They will not allow that easily. They will not surrender. Bulls will not surrender that easily. Therefore, our best trading opportunity in this market is this level. Okay, this level only. Because the market is in uptrend, and we all know the area of value in an uptrend market is always near the support. The best trading opportunity in an uptrend market is always near the support, and right now market is just standing at the support. So your first trading opportunity for Monday will be wait for the market opening on Monday, and after the market opening, just see how the price reacts. Try to read the market emotion, try to read the chart, try to understand the market psychology. If you see that after the market opening on Monday, price is trading comfortably, market is not ready to go down, you can easily go for a buy order. Okay, you can easily go for buy order at this level. But on the other hand, if you see that there is some selling pressure, okay, now sellers have joined in and they are trying to push the price upward, they are trying to overthrow the bulls from this support level, then do not buy. As I always say in my videos, confirmation is always important. Okay, so there is a possibility that if sellers join in on Monday, then price will go down further. Okay, I'm not saying that they will break the support, but still confirmation is important. Only buy if market successfully or comfortably trades above this level 1.4100. Then only you should go and click on the buy button. Otherwise, no. If market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this level, then also you should not short the market, because see, market is respecting this level for last 1 month. Therefore, if market crosses also, then bulls will try to regain the support again. So wait for at least 4 to 8 hours and just see how the market does, or how the price reacts. Okay, so wait for the market opening on Monday. If you see market is trading comfortably above this level, go for a buy order. Okay. On the other hand, your second trading opportunity is, okay, this level. If market goes up, okay, if market goes up, okay, and hit this particular resistance level, then you can short the market at this level. Okay, this is also a opportunity for you. But right now we can see that, okay, for last couple of weeks market is not going up, but it is facing selling pressure once it has, or it touch this particular price level. So this is also a good opportunity to short the market. Okay. So if price goes up from here, okay, if price goes up from here, then you can just look at the what I'm saying. Okay, so in case you miss the opportunity, or in case you go for a buy signal here, okay, this will be your take profit target. Okay, and when market will reach this particular price level, just observe the price. If you see that price is struggling, okay, price is about to reverse from this particular level, you can short the market. But if you do not want to short the market, do not short the market, because to be honest, okay, uh, in GBP USD market, okay, I have been trading whenever market is coming down to this particular support level only. I am not shorting GBP USD at this price level, because see, as I always say, okay, you should only look for buying opportunities in an uptrend market. And overall, the trend of GBP USD is upside. Okay, therefore, this is the best trading opportunity, 1.4100. Okay, and if you want, then you can short the market at this level, and this is also your take profit target. Okay, and on the other hand, you have also got a resistance at this particular price level, this level. Okay, in case market crosses this level, then you can short the market at this price level also. But right now market is standing at the support, this level is quite far away, so that's a completely different chapter. Okay, I'll be discussing this level on Monday. So right now let's wait for the market opening on Monday and see how the price reacts. If we get a good opportunity like previous times, again we will make some good profit. Let's see how the market opens. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.